Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do another reaction. The reaction is top 10 African beautiful country step by step. So let's check out the top 10 beautiful girls in Africa. So top 10 country, it's really amazing. If you really like this reaction, so make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share if you're watching the reaction video. And my name is Now, so must subscribe and must share. So let's check out. Okay guys, let's check out.
Welcome to Made in Africa. In
Top
this
10 Africa
episode,
countries
Made in
with
Africa
most
presents
beautiful
top
women.
10
Wow.
African countries with most beautiful women. Number 10, we have Tanzania.
Tanzania. Wow. Oh, so beautiful she is, huh? Wow. Oi. Wow.
Number 9, Eritrea.
Oh, Eritrea. Number 9. I like it.
Number 8 is Ghana.
Oh, Ghana. Ghana also beautiful girls, right? Wow. Looking nice.
Number 7 is Angola.
Angola. Oh. Wow. Black beauty.
Number 6 is Nigeria.
Oh, Nigeria. Wow. Black dress. Oh, come on. Wow. Beautiful body,
Number 5 is South Africa.
Oh, South African woman, really modern girl, right? I like it. Wow. Nice hair, Hips, very nice.
Number
hips.
4 is Kenya.
Oh, Kenya. Kenya also beautiful girls. Wow. Brown skin.
Number 3 is Egypt.
Oh, Egypt is really beautiful girls. I know it. Wow. Also white, Egyptian girl.
Number 2 is
Oh,
Somalia.
Somalia. Wow, Somalia is my favorite country, Wow. Hijab girl, right? They're using hijab because Muslim country. Wow. Nice. I like it.
Number 1 is Ethiopia.
Ethiopia, most beautiful girls. Wow, amazing. I like it. Oh.
Thank you for watching our content. Share, comment and subscribe on all platforms. YouTube, Facebook. We Love Africa.
If you really like this video, so must subscribe my channel and must subscribe that girl channel also. It's really amazing video. This is a 10 country from Africa, Somalia, Ethiopia, Nigeria, or Kenya, so many countries. You already see this video. If you really like, so make sure you subscribe my channel and tell me in comment section which country are you from and which girl and which country you like. So love you all and must subscribe and must share to you friends. So take care. Bye bye.